Oh, hi. Who are you, by the way? Oh, hi. I'm Cam. I'm the new UX designer. Oh, we don't really need a UX designer. We have 1.1 million hits a month on our website. We're going great. Our website is amazing. Yeah, you might have a million views per month, but how many of them are actually converting into sales and brand loyalty, subscriptions, and regular visits and revisits? Yeah, but according to HR, you cost us a lot of money. We really don't need to spend on UX. You need to prove that user experience design works. Okay, no problem. I'll prove it. Okay, how? You see, if I help to improve the user experience, then users will stay on the website for longer, there'll be more brand loyalty, and increase in sales, and also regular orders. To be honest, I'm not sure this is going to work. The Forrester report says that for every $1 you spend on UX design and UX research, you get back X 100, so 100 times more in return. That's a 9,900% ROI, return on investment. So yes, we may charge, we may be expensive, but you get back 100 times more. Okay, let's do a deal. If you prove you can increase our sales, then you get to stay. Okay, that's great. I'll prove that it works. I'll prove that our user experience improvements, enhancements, reducing pain points is going to increase our sales, and I'll prove it with the data. Yes, sales are up, subscriptions are up, conversion rates up. We're really doing well, thank you. Great, I'm really glad to hear that. Okay, Cam, we're going to make you a permanent job offer because you've done such an amazing job. We're hitting our targets and beyond for this quarter, and we really can see the value of UX design. So how about you take the offer? Actually, thank you for the offer, but I'm not going to be taking the offer. I'd rather contract than have a permanent role because I want to gain experience in different organizations. And also the pay rate is a lot more for contracting, and I really enjoy the freedom that contracting gives. But thanks anyway, but I can always recommend somebody who'd like to take on a permanent role and will do just as good a job. Okay, if that's what you prefer. Oh, wait a minute. Let's just go back and see how did I really improve the user experience. So my job was to improve this hotel booking app, and I looked at the user research report to see what the user pain points were and which areas we could improve. And I worked for a few weeks on iterations, and I came up with these design enhancements. So we discovered that the search option wasn't prominent, so I added a border. There was no filtering options to search for hotel rooms, so I added a filter. There was no rating options, and users wanted to be able to like a room to increase its popularity. Also, we wanted to know that there's an option to cancel for free, i.e. especially with COVID bookings. And the pricing wasn't prominent, it was red and didn't like the color red. It was a bit scary, i.e. the psychology of colors. So we included a larger price, but in a more friendly color. And also the options at the bottom in terms of information architecture were made more prominent and clear. So we ended up with a final iteration which had improved the conversion rate and made the app more successful.